What's up, YouTube? So today we're in Anaheim. Well, tonight, Saturday the 23rd, 9 p.m. We're in Anaheim, California. Here we got a patch and repair job. So we're going off this existing SIP grid. So they had walls in here before, they demoed them. So now we're patching that, and that one continuing it on through. We're gonna put a 2-foot transition and then about a 40-inch tile. So here, patching goes that way. See, we already took this, it went all the way down. Tomorrow, Sunday, we'll be running this one all the way down. So the ceiling here is 10 foot. It is a warehouse. We're going attached RGB screws to the metal studs. See, we brought the system all the way out here. And then we have this side right here. So again, my name's Ardo, Skynet Acoustics, license number 108-1195, based out of Southern California. My email contact is in the bio or in the description, whatever it is. But any questions, comment, or send an email. Thank you.